Forex, crypto, oil, silver, and the indices that we trade in. Alright, let us see what happened today. So today we opened here, we have a good consolidation. Alright, we had a good consolidation. Market is still bearish, forming lower highs, lower highs. Okay, but yes, in today's date, we got very good moves. Also, we played level to level, reaching the level with the price action with the confirmation. Like here, the neckline was tested and we got a good bounce. And this consolidation, we waited for this any rejections. We got an opportunity for shorting over here. Alright, because this was a zone also. We got the confirmation from the zone. For how is the zone from how it is done, that is all part of the learning. Alright, for that you need to enroll for the course. See, we got good move. Again we retested this zone, again a shortfall, again a recovery from the support. Alright, so this is all about the NAS 100. Now let us see the US 30, the Dow Jones. Alright, Dow Jones has not been able to test the historical trend line which is breached the last sessions. Alright, it's a full consolidation. No trade could be made in the Dow Jones. Alright, now let us see the currency pair EUR USD. See, okay, how it respected the levels, took again a rejection, took a bounce on the historical support. Alright, took rejection from this. Here we got a good opportunity that if we are getting a rejection from this swing level, then it will be a confirmed signal that the support will be breached, and we got a confirmation and we got a good shorting opportunity. Alright, and here also see a good bounce breaching the levels. We played level to level, and again a W pattern breaching the neckline. We got a confirmation that it has to come back, retested again and took a sharp recovery. So this is how we did intraday traditional trades and did some scalping to make some good bucks. Okay, this is USDJPY. Here also see playing level to level, but today we got no as such opportunity. We got this, it has been consolidating. USDCHF, a good short sell shorting trade in this because of the trend line which breached. Alright, and see here it was a zone. We waited for it to be tested and we got a confirmation that it is a breakout. You can also learn to find a breakout and recognize the breakout with our course. It is also an USD for our course. Okay, that's why we will learn many things. We got a confirmation here, we shorted for this zone and we got our target. Okay, the target from here, from this level till here, till the retest. Okay, 0.5% almost. Then next AUD USD, same thing. What a rejection from here in this candle was the zone in historical data. See, okay, we got a breaching from here and we got opportunity to short. Okay, again NZD USD, the same pattern. We'll wait for this neckline to be broken because it was a W pattern and also trying to form a rounding sort of pattern. So let us see. Okay, there is a trend line that comes from here. We get a rejection. We can also retest this double bottom and it can be a fake formation too. The cat, same thing, consolidation the whole day and no trades couldn't be formed for today as such. New Zealand dollar JPY, no trades for today because no trend formation. See, also beautifully from this zone got rejection, we tested and we got a selling opportunity to short, and we played level to level from 19.69, 19.65 to 19.38 in silver. Okay, that is why I say just take your screenshots and do follow the technical analysis and the formation of patterns. See, gold getting rejection from the historical trend line. We got to know if this is going to take a support from here, then it will just breach it and retest the zone high again. But no, it retested, got a rejection, and we got a opportunity to sell, and we achieved our target. All right. Now next, Bitcoin. Consolidation for the whole day, no trades as such. Ethereum gave up opportunity to short because it was showing some weakness. Also, merger news came. See, a double top formation, and we got an opportunity in this week when it got sold out. We entered into it, and we got a good selling opportunity, playing level to level. And yes, we booked here because it was always giving a test here, retest here. But we booked our target over here at the level of 1586. Okay, Sol, no trade as such for today, but yes, with the volume we got a good move in the Sol, but I didn't prefer to go in it. Binance, see, formation of double top and it was so it was like in this candle it got breached, then it is the confirmation that we should go short and see we got our target testing the recent historical trend line of rejection. Okay, Matic, see, Matic the same combination, but Matic is not showing any move, so no trades in this. So gbpaud consolidation for the whole day, and now usoil. See how so beautifully it made a zone here, gave us a confirmation we got opportunity to sell. Okay, and it took a bounce because it was a zone here also. We played some good trades in the demand and supply. All right, then again rejection over here and this between these two levels of support and resistance, 87.16 and 86.817. Okay, we got confirmation reaching this trend line between this level of swing. Consolidation couldn't test, the sellers have got into and they got opportunity to short again. Okay, this is, I'm not telling any story. Okay, this is pure education. This is trading in the pure business, and we need to learn how to find these levels, because without levels we cannot do anything. Like, just let me show you which level, which chart should I show you. Okay, just let me show you this same chart in the daily pattern, the US oil. See, if I line have the historical trend lines. Okay, let me show you go silver xagusd in daily time frame. See, it's all about historical data and finding the levels. If you see gold, then you'll have a more clarity. See, see, now you know where it should go. Gold is bearish because last low also got breached. If it has to take a bounce, it has to take support from this level only, which is the level of 1684.810, or else the level is broken, then again which yes that will see a shorting in this. Alright, so this is all the performance for today, that we got some good trades with the confirmation. It is no need to take any trade when you're not confirmed, because market will be there. Okay, what we need to make surety is that our sustenance in the market is important. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like, subscribe and share the channel, share the video content with your friends and family, whosoever you want to give a gift to change, make their life to bring it to their realization. That is also pure education, and we can do, anyone can do who wants to learn, who has the what we say in Hindi we say junoon. Okay, who can grasp anything about the market. So let just you should be needy